Good morning. My name is Angie Paola Castañeda. I, at- I am an assistant engineering student at UNA. And this video I am going to show you the two most important tourist place in Junin, Cundinamarca. The first place in Ararat Park. In this place we can visit it as a family and Spain wait place minutes from down in this park you can eat whatever you want since it is very cute for picnic and mark a stove to make lunch. Family there you can house have a moment of tranquility away from technology and the daily routine. The best place, the tag food, hey, in the park signs. It has a very beautiful view from there. You can see the entire town. And the entire park, and we can also see a statue of the Virgin. The second place in the Sue is the Sueva waterfall, and the site is 45 minutes by car from the town of Junín, Cundinamarca. This is a special and magical place for visitors and families. This waterfall is the most beautiful in the down signs in the was made by nature is itself. In this place you can take the best photos of the waterfall since you can see the most beautiful things that nature has creat, created. Created. Thank you.